Welcome to another tutorial here in Microworkers. If you're an employer or an aspiring one, this video is for you. In this video, the campaign goal is to get 3 logo designs for your website from workers. And for proof, you prefer a link from their Google Drive. Using one of the templates available in the Microworkers website, I will show you how to customize the image mining logo template in 10 easy steps. Step 1, click on My Templates tab to see all available templates. Step 2, under Default Templates, look for Image Mining Logo. Why choose this template? Because if you have images of logos you want workers to examine, you can add them here. But if you want workers to submit a new logo design, keep on watching and see how easy it is to edit this template. To search faster, press Ctrl F. Click on the result. Step 3, click on Clone or Edit to make changes to the template. Step 4, edit the title based on what your campaign is about. Step 5, enter all the steps and link to your website where your old logo is shown. Step 6. If you do not need to show any image, simply remove the existing images or table in the form by clicking Delete. In a separate video, I will show you how to add images to your template. But for now, let's remove them one by one so we can add a text box element for proof requirement. Step 7. Under the steps, there is a box for required proof. Click on it to change the label. To those new here, proof is submitted by workers to show that they finished a task. When you leave nothing for workers to enter their proof, this error will appear. This means that you have to add an input element to enter data. In this case, we will use a text box. Step 8. Click on the element as shown in this video. Its properties will appear in the box below. Enter the proof name to label it. This is where workers will enter the URL of the image uploaded to their Google Drive. Step 9, click Save and Preview button. Step 10, click OK. That's it. More videos are coming, so hit subscribe and the notification bell. Click like and share if you find this video helpful.